Besides spelling and grammar checking, Microsoft OneNote also gives you different proofing options. For example, let's go over here and let me type in that with a smaller case t and press space, and you can see that that has been converted into an uppercase letter. So if I were to go over here, you can see that this is an autocorrect option, and if I were to go down, you can change this back to a smaller case letter if you didn't need to type it in that way. So over here, you can also type in some common symbols that we use. For example, if I were to use open bracket, C, close bracket, and that turns out to be a copyright symbol. These are all autocorrect options and can be controlled with the proofing option. For that, I can simply go to File menu right here and go inside Options. And over here, you can see that there's proofing as an option. And in proofing, you can see that it ignores all the words in uppercase. It ignores the word with numbers, ignores the internet file addresses, and flags repeated words. So if I were to turn this off, then it'll show uppercase letters as an error. You can also go to autocorrect options right here, and you can see that this is what it is replacing it with. So copyright, open bracket, C, and close bracket, it's replacing it with a copyright symbol. You can also go over here at the bottom and you can see that it has common errors. For example, CHNAGE. So if I were to type this, it'll automatically change it into chains just like this. So let's see this one. So let's say I'm going to type in TT. All right. So I want it to be replaced with tube right here. And let's press add and press OK. So now let's see what happens if I were to type TT space, and that's tube. Right. So I can also do that, and it is showing it as an error because it's a repeated word. So I can simply right click, delete the repeated word. So that is how you can use autocorrect and proofing options inside of Microsoft OneNote. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.